So welcome once again. We are Blendera Food Solutions. From now on, we all want you to concentrate on the pears and the apples that you eat every day and how they get to your, well, to your house. So, it's not working. Have you ever thought that probably the apple that you are the apple that you are eating today was probably cropped in September? Let's try to understand how this is possible, okay? So, as you can see, the apples grow in trees, as we all know. Then they are picked. Let's say that we are in Portugal, maybe in September they will be picked. Then they will be washed in probably a cooperative, or if the producer is huge enough to do this by himself. Then it will be treated. Let me emphasize this. It will be treated. Then it will be stored for a long period of time that can go from 9 to 12 months. And afterwards, they will be calibrated and finally to your house. So let's focus on why they need to be treated. They need to be treated because the long time storage hurts, if you want, apples and pears. How? There are two main issues in here. There is the superficial scald that relates to the temperature of the storage, and also the fungicide, the fungal contamination. Nowadays, there are chemicals that treat really well this, but even though they are within the regulation values, they are still chemicals that are toxic, okay? So, in order to not to be keeping eating toxic chemicals, we want to change this for an organic edible coating that blends all these effects, blend all, and that has the unique feature, as I told you, to, in a single product, the fungicide and anti-scald activity to prevent simultaneous both post-harvest diseases. So, but overall we have worldwide 19 million tons of fruit production, apples and pears altogether, but 50% of this market comes from China. We are not going to concentrate in this market just because the storage facilities are still underdeveloped. So let's focus on the 30% that relates to US and European Union, and let's understand that half of that production is treated with both anti-scald and antifungal products. So if we would treat all this fruit with these current solutions, we would spend 720 million euros in chemicals that are toxic, and we do not want that. We want to use Blendol. So this is our addressable market. So we address two problems with one solution, Blendol, that is organic, that are for cooperatives and producers that actually are the ones who store the fruits. No switching costs, because we can use all the same equipments that are being placed till today. The time to market is 18 months with an investment of 1.3 million and revenues on the fifth year, of 25 million, and with a payback period of 3 years. We really want you to find more about this. 3 minutes is very few time to talk about this. Please find us in the break so our wonderful team can explain more details, okay? Thank you so much.